it's Cameron here at Palm Harbor in Cleveland, and I am being joined today by the lovely Karina,
hey guys,
who is a credit repair specialist, and then of course you know the lovely Melina, Karina Molina, that kind of rhymes. If you watched the Las Chicas video yesterday with Melina and Yaya, they mentioned that we were going to have Karina come in today. So to give you a quick synopsis of what's happening right now, you know, we really want to be a one-stop shop for our customers, and so we have a dedicated realtor for you guys. So if you're looking for land, you already know we have him, dedicated realtor here to help you. We have a plethora of housing consultants that help you find a perfect home. And now we have our very own credit repair specialist that is going to be able to help our customers who maybe have some challenged credit, some issues that they haven't been able to get over or get off of their credit. And she's going to let you know that if you come in and do business with Palm Harbor, she's going to give you a great promo offer to get you guys started and ready for income tax time and your down payment.
that's right.
So Karina, can you tell our customers a little bit about what you've got to offer?
Yeah, absolutely. So hey guys, again, Karina. I'm with Good Credit for Life, where our name is our guarantee. We have an awesome program. It's made for people that want to buy a house but don't exactly qualify just yet. It comes with a money back guarantee. That's how effective the program is. That will get your scores where they need to be to qualify in just 2 to 6 months.
Wow.
Yeah, it's an awesome program. Plus, if you have collections, which is usually what's holding people's scores down, we're able to get those accounts deleted for you permanently without you having to pay them. So it's a huge money saver.
Fantastic.
It's awesome, and at the same time, you're boosting your scores. So you really can't go wrong. Again, it's a money back guarantee. Plus, Palm Harbor here, if you buy your house from them, once you're done with our program, they'll actually reimburse you the cost of the program. And not just that, if you guys get started, you're gonna get $100 off enrollment. So that means,
That was a Christmas time, y'all.
that's right. So that's only $99 to start for an individual and $199 for a couple. And again, that's gonna clear your collection debt and make you future homeowners. So it's really a no-brainer, you know? So I'm excited to help you guys, excited to help you become homeowners, and what better Christmas gift to give yourself and your family.
For sure, absolutely. You know, and it's never a bad time to get started. Like we mentioned, we all know tax season's coming up. A lot of our customers want to use their tax return as their down payment, which is a great thing to do. Melina, can you let them know a little bit about our layaway program? So maybe if Karina hasn't gotten them exactly where they need to be by the time their income tax comes in, how we'll be able to apply that and hold it for them to get started.
So you pretty much every month bring a down payment, and then until you get to your full down payment.
So let's say, for instance, your tax return is $3,000, but you really want to put down $5,000.
Yeah.
So when tax return comes, you bring us the $3,000. We'll receive that money for you, and then we'll just continue to take additional money while we're working on the credit and the approval. And then once the time comes, you're ready to go. So we're super excited to have this program available for our Cleveland customers. Make sure that you visit us at 1152 Frontage Road. You can also give us a call, 281-592-8600, if you'd like to ask more questions or get connected directly with Karina. We would love to make that happen. We're super excited to be able to have this credit repair professional as part of our team so that we can help you out. Merry Christmas and happy holidays, and we'll be talking to you guys soon.
Merry Christmas.
See you later. Bye.